Good morning, students. We were teaching you the coal and petroleum. Coal is the fossil fuel and it was formed when plants and animals were buried. After millions of years, these plants and animals got converted into the coal. The process happens in absence of oxygen. Due to huge pressure and temperature condition, after millions of years, we got even the coal of the different varieties. Few coals are pure form, where the carbon percentage is more, but few coals are pit, where the carbon percentage is much less. We discussed the pit has got 60% carbon, whereas other coal, like lignite coal, 60 to 70% carbon, bituminous, which is also 70 to 80% carbon, and the last is your anthracite, which is one of the purest form of coal, that is above 90% carbon. Now we wanted to tell you in the detail, from coal we are making coke. What is the difference between coal and coke? Coal contains not many volatile materials. These materials are getting removed and getting converted into the coke. Volatile material means what? The material which get evaporated at low temperature itself. These are the volatile material or smoke producing materials. Smoke producing. Now we will need not to go much in details that how much are to be smoke producing materials. So we are getting coke by the destructive distillation of coal. Now, what is the destructive distillation of coal? To this topic, when coal is heated, strongly heated in absence of air, is known as destructive distillation of coal. We get the different product during this destructive distillation. For example, destructive distillation of coal, it is a process of breaking of coal by heating it to a high temperature. And in absence of air, you can write it, you can add it up. In absence of air. And in absence of air. Coal upon strongly heating in absence of air gives coke. Another product, coal tar, ammonical liquor and coal gas. We will tell you each different, what is a coke, what is a coal tar, ammonical liquor and coal gas. You need to study in details. Are the different. So now, you get the coke. What is the coke? It is a tough, porous and black substance. It is a tough, porous and black substance. Coke. You might have seen in the cooking, they are using, right? In the different, you can say, the industries, the coke is being used. We will let you know. Now, it contains 98% carbon It means coal has lost their volatile material during a storm hitting, now left with 98% carbon. Yeah, it is left with 98% carbon. So children, what happens with the other non-volatile material has been lost from here. It is a raw material for iron industries. How it is a raw material? Because the coke is used in the iron extraction industries, in the blast furnace. Why? It is used to provide the heat. Apart from the heat, it is also in iron extraction. It is used as a reducing agent. It removes the oxygen from iron oxide in the extraction of iron from iron oxide, in the reduction process. Fourth point, it is also used in the manufacture of producer gas CONH2 and water gas CONH2. Now, coal, what are the uses? It is used in the extraction of iron as a fuel for the furnace and as a reducing agent. It reduces the iron oxide into iron. It is used to produces producer gas and water gas. Now come, the second most component you are getting, that is the coal tar. So now I will tell you, just you see the destructive distillation of coal, a small video on this tablet. Okay, now children, watch it. Okay, now watch. So children, now this is the destructive distillation of coal. Setup is there. Of course, it is the last setup. We will show you in the laboratory also. Upon heating, how these gases are coming out.
The coal tar layer. This colorless layer is called ammonical lacquer, as it mostly contains dissolved ammonia. Lastly, the unreacted vapors are released through the outlet of this tube, called coal gas, which is combustible. The material left behind in the horizontal tube is called coke. Coke contains about 60% of carbon. When hot steam is passed over coke, carbon in the form of coke reacts with water vapors to form a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen.
Okay, now children,
water gas.
come to the point. You have seen a small video stating that how the coal is produced. Actually, destructive distillation, the coal is taken into a test tube, and from the test tube, when you heat, in absence of air, the gas carbon monoxide comes out from that. Apart from that, other volatile materials also comes out in the form of a smoke. These smokes are allowed to pass through the water. The coal tar settled at the bottom. I will tell you all first what is a coal tar. Now come. It is a black coal tar. It is a black viscous liquid and having unpleasant smell. You might have seen this. कोल तार जो अलकतरे वाली रोड बनती है जिसमें ब्लैक कलर सब्सटेंस होती है वो कोल तार है जिसको पिघला के हम रोड पर डालते हैं. So it is black viscous liquid with unpleasant smell. Viscous का मतलब क्या होता है? Thick syrupy liquid. Viscous means it is a thick syrupy liquid. So children, now this syrupy liquid is called coal tar. It is obtained during the destructive distillation of coal. It is a mixture of 200 and different carbon compounds. It can be separated to the many chemical compounds from it. There are a large number of chemical compounds which can be separated from coal tar by the fractional distillation process, in which, like naphthalene, toluene, phenol, benzene, these are the
Where do we get
can be separated from fractional distillation methods. Now it is used as a starting material for the manufacturing dyes and explosive paint varnishes. So the coal tar is also used in the paint industries for making dyes, paints, varnishes, even in the explosive it is used as a starting material. So children, I have taught you only today up to coke and coal tar. In coming class, we will explain you what is the coal gas, what is the producer gas, what is the ammonium liquor. These all parts we will discuss. Okay? So let's watch to the next video. Thank you.